Well, hello everybody, welcome back with me. You know me, I'm Kevin, and today I make my own crafting tool. So for this thing, you can actually make cool things, such as this thing that I have made earlier, only using these things and this thing. So all about this is actually just to hold the machine in here and can move in a pretty huge area though. So to make this, well, you're gonna need this medium motor here and the EV3 brick and a touch sensor. Oops. Okay. So all of this on the touch sensor is actually on or off. Well, just like that, and quite a bit of Lego bricks, and then some gears to make the things to make the shape. And well, so I actually made a bit of them. So for this one, the first one actually looks kind of like this. So this thing is unused, so you can just make the small shapes like that. And then in here, well, this one can be used for making holes as big as this. And if you want to go even bigger, you can make holes up to as big as this. Well, pretty much like this. And there's this last one with just an axle and 5 jerk plate, nothing else. So now the special thing about this is actually the gears are different. So you can see here, there's the normal gear 8 that you see every day that you use every time, but this thing is twice or thrice as rare as this. So for example, if you have 3 of these, well, you might have one of them which is like this. And the reason I'm using this one, the left one, is because that it is geared like this, like at all sides they're gears. But this thing, last time I tried with this and it got stuck because there's an area which is flat. So that's why I didn't use this. And well, just because I have quite of them, but I have some more, so I have 3 of them and I use them all in here. So, well, to make like these things, they all started just like this. It's just a plain brick or floral foam like this. And with this one, we're gonna see what these things can do. So for the first one, well, it's a good start to start with the biggest ones, which is this one. So let's just get it in place. Oh yeah, by the way, this thing is not attached, so I can just slide around like this. This one too. So, and as in both can slide, you can make a circle or something like that. And this thing is not used for carving, so it just drill straight like that. So let's just see. So in here, let's just start. Let's find a good spot down here. Drilling in with using the big one like this is going to be quite a bit hard too, but the results are good. So yeah, done. So the hole is going to be as big as this. So let's just clean this thing first. Boom, like this, as big as this compared to this. this and also this. So after you're drilling using, well, the rough ones, like for example this one or whatever, well, this thing is the use of this. So you can just kind of like use this to drill a smaller hole like this one. Wait. So the hole's pretty small, but the drilling can be faster than that. Just kind of push it down a bit, then you'll suddenly just kind of feel it's already at the end in there. So still the same. The function is to drill holes, but not as big as this. Let's clean it up again. So well, and just after you drill using this, the surface inside won't be flat because, well, you can just like see here, yeah, like this. That is not flat, obviously, like this, and then go up a bit and go down, yeah, just like that. But this one is flat. So well, you can just kind of like see here, that's all flat like this. So that's why I use this to make the surface flat. Flat, what I mean flat is flat like this. So when doing like that, it's actually going to be kind of like a bit hard, but it's quick. So yeah, now it's really flat. And well, for this one, well, it's just kind of like make an area around, like to draw like that. Yeah. So let's just start on what we have. Well, so actually this thing fits in all holes you just kind of like drill in. Let's just start from here. And drilling with this is going to be a bit hard. And so, to make kind of like a long line like that, so you're going to have to kind of like drill a bit holes with using this. So just drill a couple of holes around here. I drill it in. Just kind of like that. Now, and so it'll kind of like messy. So you're just gonna use this. Put it back in here. Just kind of like drill it around here. So you can just kind of like make a line like this, and that's what I did to make the holes in between here. And just because this can be straight, I'm using this thing. Well, you can actually just kind of like, well, on all sides, so really smooth. But like this thing, well, this axle is not used like what this thing can do. So it kind of like drill holes around like this. So well, this one was the old one, so let's just grab a new one like this, so fresh and new. And so I'm gonna show you how to make this. So for this one, I'm just going to kind of like, you're gonna have to draw it, the template first, but it won't be as clear as you expect. So just kind of like find a starting point, approximately around here. So yeah, it's going to be kind of like as clear as this. Draw the template slowly. Well, for mine, well, I'm just gonna make a letter K like this. So yeah, done. So now, well, we're gonna make the hole in here. The first step, just use this. So actually, the first step is actually depending on the size of the writing. Well, this, you can use this thing if your drawing is big. And so for mine, I'm using this. So let's just drill a couple of holes. So now, the first step is done, drilling the holes along your template. So now, well, next step, we're gonna use this thing. So, changing the bit is actually just kind of like as simple as that. Plug it on, and kind of like plug in the bit you want to use. So now let's do it. So now it's going to look kind of like this. Yeah, like this. So now it was still kind of like messy. So you're gonna use some other things. So now in this part, well, I'm gonna have to kind of change the bits a couple of times between the axle ones and the flattener ones, like this one. So for this one, I'm gonna use this one first. Well, yeah, just because, well, these things are not cut yet, so kind of like not pushed in. So this actually the use of the axle ones. So we're just well, for the rest, you're gonna have to clean it by hand to count, just because this kind of dust kind of like still gather inside. So now, to kind of like clear the templates like this one that has no template, we're gonna use the same thing like this one. So let's just get it back, put it in here. So now, done. So thank you for watching, and good luck making this. Also, using this, making these kind of things, but floral foam. And don't forget to subscribe.